So when do you think is the best time to pick blueberries?
I like to pick my blueberries late in the fall because you get more darker color for, if you're going to be using it for dyeing with. And it doesn't just, you don't get a nice, just a dark color out of it. It is also has a softer skin. And then I'll store it in the freezer.
Yeah.
Cranberries for working with dyeing is best picked in the fall, and I'll even pick them after like 2 or 3 frosts because then the color is more bold, it's more rich. It's a real deep burgundy color, and they're easy to squish and they have a lot of juice in them. So that's when I like to pick my berries for turning it into dye.